Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about string comparison and membership. We can use all the comparison operators to compare strings. Each character in Unicode is represented by a number, and these numbers are compared. This is how string comparing works. It means the order is not strictly alphabetical, because all capital letters come before small letters in Unicode. We can use the following comparison operators: equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So, these two should be equal. Hello is equal to hello. And this is true. Now, these two should not be equal. A equals hello, B equals hi. A is not equal to B, which is true. Now, when these two strings are compared, the first character to differ is the second one. The first one is the same here and here. The second one is different. Now, I comes after E in Unicode and also in the alphabet. So, hi is greater than hello. And this is true. I has a greater value in Unicode than E. Now, capital Y comes before small y. So, yes is less than yes. And this is true. We can confirm this by means of the ORD function, which gives us the Unicode number of the character. So let's check it out. ORD of capital Y and ORD of small y. So the Unicode number for capital Y is 89, whereas the Unicode number for small y is 121. Now have a look at this. These two are equal, so the first one must be also greater or equal to the other. So this is true. Or just one more example, capital F is a capital letter, so it comes earlier than any small letter. As capital F is less than small a, it's automatically also less than or equal to small a. So, capital F is less than or equal to small a, which is true. Now, membership. We can check if a particular element is contained or not in the string. We can use the membership operators in and not in. Let's have a look. Text equals I need help. Let's find out whether an is contained in text. Yeah, it is. How about small I in text? False. So this string doesn't contain a small I. It does contain a capital I, but these two are two different characters in Unicode. How about this? Capital Z not in text. True. We don't have a capital Z in this string. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.